What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be replacing an indoor blower motor on this Trane commercial style package heat pump. So we'll go ahead and show you the steps involved. This is not a DIY. I don't really do DIY videos. This is more of educational and to show the process. All right, so if you're wondering how I diagnosed it, it was very simple. I got here and it had blown fuses, and I just put a couple new ones in, see what could happen. Put new ones in, put the power on, and I had the panels off at the moment, and I heard a loud pop from in here. And I came over here, again the panel was off, and the old motor was smoking. So I guess you could say it was a dead giveaway. It was very easy to know what the problem was there. So that's that. So let's go ahead and replace it today. Here is the old motor. Like I said, it was smoking and it blew the new fuses. So dead giveaway. This thing is bad. It is most likely grounded somewhere internally. So we first thing we're going to do is we're going to take off the belt. We're going to remove the 4 bolts. We got 2 here and then 2 in the back. Maybe a little bit hard to see. Yeah, you can barely see them. Maybe not. And then after that, we're going to take this harness off. All right. But this harness does have to be reused. Okay, the new motor did not come with a new harness. So we're going to have to open this up, take the spades off, and put it on the new motor. All right. So that's what we're gonna do. So got the belt off, got the harness off, got a couple bolts off, but then you are gonna have to loosen this up to slide this whole frame over, so you can get to those bolts in the back there. And remember to hang on to your wrench. If not, you will slam your finger. But yep, let me go ahead and get those last 2. Okay, so there, got it out. You can see, or sorry, as you can imagine, these 2 back here were not the easiest thing to remove, especially compared to these 2 bolts up here. So don't be surprised if it's a little bit of work. And if there's one thing that's frustrating in this business is that you pay $1,100 or $1,300 for this new motor. Doesn't come with a harness, and it does not come with the $15 pulley. So I gotta take it off the old one. I wish they would have told me it didn't come with a pulley. I probably would have just paid $15 to get a new one. But the nearest Trane store is a little far away, so I'm just gonna have to take the old one off and yeah, get it done. So as you can imagine, these are a little bit of a pain in the butt, or if you've done them, you know they're not the easiest thing sometimes. So, but I better get to it. Okay, so there is the old motor. I took off the harness, like I said earlier. Took the pulley off. That wasn't the easiest thing to do, but it's okay. It's part of the business, I guess. Again, next time I'm gonna make a note to just bring out my own pulley. They're like $20, and it would go a lot smoother. Anyways, got the new one right here. Like you see, I'm gonna button this up here shortly, but I got the pulley on there. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and do my steps in reverse. Again, I'm gonna put my bolts on in the back first, then the bolts in the front, and then I'm going to slide the whole thing over, right? And then I'll be able to put my belt on and figure out a good tension for that. And then finally I'll just connect my harness. All right, so I left a spare key in here just in case we need it for the future. I did leave it in here. Maybe I should just put it in the control cabinet. I might end up doing that. Okay, so there it is, new motor, right? Reused, or yeah, reused the belt. It's in good shape, 1/2 inch of play. Then we have reused the harness, reused the pulley like I mentioned earlier. So now we're gonna go ahead and fire this bad boy up. All right, and double check that your amps are good on your new motor. All right, you got to do this with the panel partially on. If not, it will throw out the readings off. Okay, but there you go. New motor running exactly how it should be. Well, that's pretty much it, y'all. As always, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and from here on out, I'm just gonna double check that my heating and cooling as far as the refrigeration cycle is okay. But that's pretty much it. All right, we'll see you on the next one.